if I told you there's a car so luxurious, so perfectly engineered, that kings, movie stars, and moguls refuse to travel in anything else? This isn't just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece from the golden age of motoring. The 1920s Rolls-Royce Phantom II still stuns the world, even a century later. Welcome to the Gear Guru, your ultimate destination for deep dives into automotive icons, legends, and future tech. If you're passionate about cars with stories, style, and soul, hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that bell icon. Watching till the end really helps support the channel, so don't miss out. Let's take a journey back to 1929, a time of jazz, flapper dresses, and Gatsby-style opulence. Owning a Rolls-Royce wasn't just about transportation, it was a statement that you had arrived. And when the Phantom II debuted, it redefined luxury on four wheels. This wasn't just any Rolls-Royce. The Phantom II was the last model Sir Henry Royce personally worked on before his passing. Every detail was crafted with his perfectionism. Replacing the Phantom I, the Phantom II featured massive upgrades in both style and engineering, with a sleek, extended chassis that allowed for custom, extravagant body styles from top coach builders like Park Ward and Hooper. Now let's talk about the engine. It wasn't about speed, but about effortless power. The 7.7-liter straight-six engine produced 120 horsepower, delivering a smooth river of torque. The ride was so quiet, passengers joked that the loudest sound was the ticking of the dashboard clock. Inside, no two Phantom IIs were alike. Rolls-Royce provided the chassis, and coach builders created bespoke bodies. The interiors featured hand-polished wood trim, genuine leather, crystal inlays, and sometimes even custom cigar humidors and champagne compartments. But luxury wasn't the only priority. The Phantom II was also an engineering marvel. It was the first Rolls-Royce with the chassis and engine integrated into a single design for better stability and handling. Its redesigned suspension system with semi-elliptical springs ensured an ultra-smooth ride, even on rough roads. On the outside, the Phantom II exuded prestige. The long bonnet, iconic Rolls-Royce grille, and Spirit of Ecstasy emblem gave it an unmistakable presence. It didn't scream for attention, it whispered luxury. People didn't hear it arrive. They felt it. Even the smallest details were meticulously crafted. The dashboard instruments were symmetrically arranged, the doors closed with a satisfying click, and the engine bay was a work of art with brass and chrome components, not plastic. So how much did this luxury cost? In the late 1920s, a Phantom II was priced at around $15,000, roughly $250,000 to $300,000 today. But it wasn't just about the money, it was about the experience. The Phantom II wasn't a car you drove. It was a car you were driven in, unless you were someone like Clark Gable or Lawrence of Arabia. Celebrities and royalty alike owned Phantom IIs. Fred Astaire, the Maharaja of Mysore, and even Mahatma Gandhi's benefactor had one. The Maharaja's Phantom II had ivory controls and a throne-like rear seat. Today, surviving Phantom IIs are rare, highly coveted collector's items. At auction, they can easily fetch over $1 million depending on their condition, body style, and history. And some still run like a dream. Nearly a century later, a true testament to Rolls-Royce's build quality. The Phantom II represents more than just a car. In today's world of touchscreens and over-the-air updates, it reminds us that true luxury comes from craftsmanship, not code. It speaks to a time when things were built to last, to be handed down, to have soul. So next time a car brand brags about premium materials or custom interiors, remember, Rolls-Royce did it first, nearly a century ago, and arguably did it best. If this beautiful machine amazed you, drop a comment below and tell us your favorite classic car. Would you ride in a Phantom II if given the chance? Or are you dreaming of driving one through the winding countryside, monocle in place, top hat on? Who knows? Thanks for watching this deep dive into one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell icon. And remember, watch till the end next time too. Your support helps us bring more legends like the Phantom 2 to your screens. This is the Gear Guru, where every car has a story. See you in the next ride.